In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Liboodle.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing you can do is to just try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So just try to restart your Windows and then the second method, because when you restart, that will refresh all the system processes and programs. Next method is you can try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows. Click on apps, click on installed apps, and then simply locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows. And still in the options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. You also need to make sure that your Windows is updated. So simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. And if you have any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, just try to temporarily disable that, okay? And then check your system information. Search for it in the Windows search bar. And then take note of your system type. Then open a browser. Simply search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. And then just simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.